This isn't the video I want to be making right now, but I don't mind making this video. We're gonna lift the Liberty!
Liberty, 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 liberty.
Alright, homosexuals, we're busting nuts today.
How do we get her out of here without breaking her? What do these people think we are?
Animals. They think we're animals.
Oh, she's taller.
Alright, we just filled up Andre's tires, and I think the Liberty almost might be a little bit squatted. Squatted.
She squatted.
What do you think there, Mr. Chin? Are you happy with your
You know,
with
pretty proud of it.
with your actions?
Pretty proud of it.
All right. Oh yeah.
You know what?
I ain't helping you do shit.
Well, get me the air gun, goddamn.
It's on the fucking ground right next to
What
you.
am I supposed to just go like this and it's done?
I mean, in an ideal world, yeah.
There you go. There.
All right, we took it apart again. Because Christian forgot to tighten down the washers the first time around.
Fuck you. That was your problem.
That's right, I was the one who didn't tighten them down. Oh, does it really? It doesn't want you to do that. That's horrible. I hate Mopar.
At 4,500, it shut off.
All right, we'll try it anyway.
Shuts off.
Well, you have to drop it then right before you get to 45.